Sarkar Padeng Bade Pet Yakatunat Health and Family Welfare, but Chemical and Fertilizer JP Nadda Haneksngi Ulawan Yukjat ARHI District, but Plie Pajba Yaka ARHI Hospital Hajeroban. Kania kajaka ajing sumar kabahe, but kabalabit labiang nadong syadong, man ay kajing sumar kabapaka, syaki Pajba kajala, but jongkatan cetay lami ngihi baro kaway. Hagani ka sngi Plie Pajba ya ka ARHI Hospital kabala penyak da ka Far East Wellness PVT Ltd lawan banyadon lang rangkaru uba Wailad Miki Shela Health Minister jong kacela uba Sosthonesl Minister katanat CNRD nangta uba ALHEC Chairman jong ka ARHI Hospital nalor kiway de gihe sorkar ki doktor kinongilam sinong mat kinong sya khot ngauba. Habakren hagani kesngi nakaliang JP Nadda ulaong ba hapo kejingilam jong Menteri Rangbah du kari Narendra Modi kathan cetay lamingi kalayoi kejing kiustet ha kibun kiliang kamtam ha kabedei bat kakot kakya kibala betin lenti Rangbah kasinjam kum ka Act East Policy bat kejing paikman bakarpang jong kesurkar India sya kani kathan. Ula airo kejengero sekibor penyat jong ka ARHI Hospital kibala penbiang da kitiar bat kikor kibor kiba katkum kene ke jukstat kaba manta.
Very warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you on this historic momentous occasion as we gathered for the inaugurations of ARHI Hospital. Today is not merely the opening of the hospital building, it is the realizations of the visions, a commitment and the dreams of to transform the healthcare delivery in Meghalaya and across Northeast India. It is a day of immense pride and gratitude for everyone associated with ARHI Hospital. I extend my deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri JP Nadda ji, for gracing us with his presence and for his unwavering dedication towards strengthening the healthcare infrastructure across our nations. Your presence today inspires us and reinforces our commitment to serving society through quality healthcare. I also sincerely thank the Honorable Guest of Honor, Sri Wailad Miki Shela, and our special guest, Sri Sosthonesl and Sri Ramesh Teriji, for taking time for their busy schedules to be with us on these significant occasions. Your support and encouragement have been invaluable. ARHI Hospital was established with a clear mission to provide a world-class healthcare services at affordable cost and to ensure that the people of Meghalaya and the Northeast have access to advanced medical care closer to home. For too many long and many families have had to travel great distances for specialized treatment. Today we take a significant step towards changing the reality. On this special day, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to our boards of directors, our medical and administrative teams, our partners, consultants, staff, contractors, and every individual whose hard work and dedication have made this dream a reality. This achievement belongs to all of us. As we inaugurate ARHI Hospital today, we do so with humility and responsibility and a firm commitment to save humanity. We pledge to continuously strive for excellence, uphold the highest ethical standards, and work tirelessly for the health and the well-being of our community.
इलाज कराएंगे, बहुत अच्छी बात है। मैं विशेषकर चेयरमैन हैक जी और उनका पूरा टीम को मेरे तरफ से बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूं। मुझे जो जानकारी है, नड्डा जी हमारी स्वास्थ्य मंत्री है, हमारी बहुत बड़ी एक स्कीम पूरा भारत में चल रही है, आयुष्मान भारत के जो कार्ड है वह लागू है। मुझे पता नहीं था, अभी मुझे बताया डॉक्टर साहब ने कि बहुत अच्छी बात है, क्योंकि जो गरीब जो लोग हैं वो आयुष्मान भारत कार्ड के द्वारा 5 लाख का इलाज कर सकते हैं। इस हॉस्पिटल में लागू है, वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो मैं ज्यादा नहीं कहना चाहता हूं। असम के बॉर्डर में है, हम लोग जब रास्ते से जाते हैं तो ARHI हॉस्पिटल दिखाई देती है। इसी तरह चमकते रहे और अच्छी इलाज हो, यही हम कामना करते हैं। तो मैं ज्यादा नहीं कहना चाहता हूं। विशेषकर नड्डा जी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि हमारी लीडर है, हमारी गुरु है, हम उनकी नेतृत्व में हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं। तो मैंने कहा कि हेग जी के बारे में कि 6 बार वो विधायक बन चुके हैं मेघालय में, और मैंने कहा कि जब मैं पार्टी में आया 98 की बात है तो मैं एक विधायक मेघालय में नाम सुना था, वो हेग था। आज भी वो विधायक है, तो वही कहना चाहता हूँ। और मेघालय सरकार अच्छी काम कर रही है, असम में भी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट की बहुत अच्छी काम हो रही है। डॉक्टर हिमंत बिस्वा शर्मा जी पहले हेल्थ मिनिस्टर थे और नड्डा जी हेल्थ मिनिस्टर थे, तो बहुत अच्छी काम हुई है, बहुत अच्छा काम हो रहा है। उसी तरह से मेघालय में भी काम हो। हमारे मेघालय के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर ने कहा कुछ हेल्थ के बारे में विस्तार से कहा, और हम लोग असम में हमें एम्स मिला है। यहाँ मेघालय के लोग भी जाते हैं एम्स में, मैंने देखा 2-4 लोगों को, ज्यादातर लोग वहाँ एम्स में जाए, यही हम आशा करते हैं। हमारी असम में जो एम्स है वो अच्छी तरह से चले, यही हम कामना करते हैं। और विशेषकर नड्डा जी को भी कहना चाहता हूँ, कुछ वहाँ प्रॉब्लम है वो भी सॉल्व हो, ये आशा करते हुए मैं अपना बात यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय।
We all know that we really in today's time people looking forward to for the multi-speciality hospital. So most of the time I think our people end up going to other states and to other part of the country. So with this hospital coming up in this beautiful location, I feel that it will really bless our people of the state. And no doubt there are so much have been coming up, especially under the leadership of our Chief Minister. Just to inform our Union Minister, sir, that I think out of all the state in India, sir, we spend 8% of our annual budget for health, sir, in Meghalaya. So this shows our the seriousness and our concern, and we really want to help and to give the affordable and accessible healthcare to our people, where average government spending, the average government spending in India, if you take, it is below 3,000 per person. But in Meghalaya, it is more than 7,000 per person, the government spending. So this shows that we are really looking forward, we like to really want to provide the best healthcare for our people, but there are different set of challenges. And just to inform our Union Health Minister that few years ago that Meghalaya is above the national average in the mother mortality rate and the infant mortality rate. But due to the initiative of our Honorable Chief Minister, starting the Chief Minister Safe Motherhood Scheme, that I'm so proudly stand here today that now it is below the national average. And we will continue to work hard to see that that number will come to zero. So for this, we need the support and guidance from Delhi and from our Union Minister. And sir, I'm so happy to inform you as well that no doubt the biggest challenges right now which we face in Meghalaya, that we have very less doctors, sir. Very less doctor, very few doctor in our PHC, CHC. So, but this is because in the past we don't have any medical college, the state-run medical college in our state. No doubt in the few years ago, with the support from the central government, we have the NIGRIMS, but there were also few seats and the other seat which we used to get from the central pool. But today, sir, I am so happy to inform you that under the able leadership of our Chief Minister, we have started the Shillong Medical College in our state of Meghalaya. 50 numbers of seats we have started, and we are on the process to start the Tura Medical College, another 150 seats. We are aiming that to start it by this coming term. So, sir, we are still waiting for your time, your and PM, because this is very auspicious occasion, and I think it's the long aspiration of the people of Meghalaya to have their its own medical college. So, sir, we expect the PM and you, sir, to come and grace for the inauguration. The inauguration is still pending. So, sir, definitely, I think our Honorable Chief Minister is already in touch with both of you. So, sir, we hope hopefully see that in the coming days that we'll see that you will be coming and bless the people of Meghalaya with the inauguration of Shillong Medical College.
For the part of the inauguration ceremony of the ARHI Hospital, few days back my colleague Hek had come to Delhi and he invited me to come and inaugurate this program. I said very soon I'll make a program, and I'm really thankful to Hek for giving me this invitation, and because of his invitation I'm here. I'm meeting all of you. First of all, I congratulate on the inauguration of this ARHI Hospital and the opportunity of it. It is a very significant milestone, a huge initiative which has been taken in health delivery in Meghalaya. At the outset, when I congratulate, I also really admire the vision which you have kept. Because in a hilly state like Meghalaya, thinking of a super specialty, that too in the private field, is no less than a dream. It's no less than a dream. And making dream reality is really commendable. So first of all, at the outset, I congratulate for your vision, dedication and the hard work through which this institution has come up. It has got the most modern facility, which I am told, and it's not only the mere creation of the building, but the creation of the hope and the security and the quality which you are providing through this ARHI Hospital, that I would like to certainly enunciate to you. As you all know that under the dynamic leadership of Prime Minister Modi, the growth story in the health sector has been, and it's not only the health sector. My friend Wailad narrated just now that in only a short span of 1 month, if 5 ministers are coming and they are having meeting in Meghalaya, you can understand how much emphasis is being given and how much mainstreaming has been done as far as the Northeast is concerned. And the thought process, when he said that look east, when he said act east, so it's not only in words, but it is in deeds that we have to understand. So under his leadership, really the region has witnessed a rapid development in healthcare also. And I'm happy that this institution which is coming up, it is private in center certainly, but it is with a full-fledged oncology unit. I'm also told that PET CT scan is the only CT scan here in ARHI Hospital in Meghalaya. So that is very commendable. And advanced diagnostic facilities are there, critical cares are there, as MP Singh ji told that there are 6 modular operation theatres are there. So building of the healthcare in the last few years has been very rapid, and if I say so, it's the last 12 years that we have to understand. A lot of emphasis has been given to primary healthcare, tertiary healthcare, secondary healthcare, and I would also like to share with you that the thought process, how it changes and how the scenario changes. In 2014, when we took over and Prime Minister Modi as the leader, our dynamic leader, took over the reins of the country, he asked us to relook of the health policy. And I would like to share with you that before 2017, we had a health policy which took care only about the curative part. That means, पहले बीमार पड़ो और बाद में इलाज करो, और इलाज करने का जिम्मा हमारा, बीमार पड़ने का जिम्मा आपका. It was in 2017 that we made a policy which was comprehensive, which was inclusive, and it was preventive, it was promotive, it was curative also. It also took care of the palliative part. It also took care of the geriatric part. So a comprehensive health policy came in 2017. And because of that, for the first time, the primary health care was given importance. And I would like to share with you that we have now, which you used to call at that point of time, sub-centers, primary sub-centers. Now these sub-centers, these primary health centers, PHCs, and to some amount of CHCs, all these have been converted into health and wellness centers, which we call as Ayushman Arogya Mandir. And now they are 1,81,000 in the country. And this 1,81,000 is the first contact point between 1.4 billion people. It is the first contact point where we are trying to connect with the 1.4 billion people. And as I said that it is a preventive part, we have 50,000 out of these 1,80,000 NQAS, National Quality Assurance Standards. That means they fulfill the national quality, the qualitative part, and that assurance and the standards have been maintained. But we are trying to see to it that 1,80,000, all of them become NQAS, National Quality Assurance Standards, that is maintained. But what do? We ask the ASHA workers, we ask the Panchayat Pradhans, the primary PRI's representatives, to ensure that in their area, anybody above 30 should be brought into the Ayushman Arogya Mandir, that is the health and the wellness center.